Hello everyone, storm update. We've been put into a blizzard warning here in southeastern Connecticut, New London County. It's really been picking up as the morning's been going on. I'm seeing a lot of birds over here. I put some treats out for them earlier to gather. The visibility has been really not well now, and around 8:40 or 8:45 they posted a blizzard warning for our area up here. The winds have been really, usually over there you can see a lot of trees. You can barely see anything over that way off in the distance. And it's a really fast falling snow. You can see the snow really coming down. I heard a red cardinal over here. Had some snow plows coming around, and the snow is coming down so hard you can actually hear the snow falling upon the trees and in the ground. I heard thunder snow earlier over in that way, that direction. There's a blue jay up here. Alright. The winds have been picking up. The storm was coming from that way, the ocean. Everybody's keeping warm and safe. I'm going to come back out later, make another video or two. Keep safe and warm, everyone.